I'll be winterizing a 1983 Chris-Craft Viking 170 SC 150 horsepower Johnson V6. I have 6 gallons of 50-to-1 pre-mixed premium gasoline that has an octane rating of 93. Where I live, our gas has 10% ethanol added. It is best to run non-ethanol premium 91 to 93 octane. I have added StarTron fuel treatment to help keep the gas stabilized over the winter. Some people store with a full tank to keep out the condensation. I store with 6 gallons, which is about half a tank, and then I take the gas out in the spring with a battery-operated liquid transfer pump to use in my lawn equipment or my car. For years, my dad and I would just change the lower unit oil, add stable, and disconnect the battery, which is a simple way to do it. I, however, take a couple extra steps to winterize due to my added knowledge base from the boat club I belong to. I start the motor, run it for 3 to 5 minutes with water, rabbit ears, to the lower unit. Remove the water in the gas line to let the water and gas completely run out. After it shuts off by itself, I put the oil pan underneath the lower unit, remove the lower unit screw, and then the oil drains. Then I put new oil in, starting from the bottom up. It takes about 5 to 6 tubes. I quickly put back on the lower screw and then the upper screw. I raise the motor up and put the transom saver back on. Now the motor is done. I then take the batteries and disconnect them. And I also turn the battery switch to off, just in case. And in my personal preference, I store the fish finder and the radio head unit in my house. And in the springtime, I take the batteries and I replace them. And that's what I do to winterize the boat.